Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we are making brown sugar and honey glazed salmon. Here's an overview of our ingredients, and make sure you check the description box for details. And with that, let's get started. Alright, I have my salmon all cleaned and skinned, so now I'm going to season both sides of it with a bit of paprika, some ground black pepper, and some crushed red pepper, but feel free to use whatever seasonings that you have available. Now take a heaping scoop of butter and add it to your skillet. I have the temperature set to about medium. Stir the butter around and let it start to melt. Once the butter starts to simmer, add in your garlic and mix it around. Now you're going to let the garlic and butter cook until it comes back to a simmer. Once you see the mixture simmering, carefully pour a bit of soy sauce in, but not too much or else it'll make the dish salty. Return your mix back to a low simmer. Now at this point, go ahead and add a very generous amount of honey and quickly stir it so that the honey doesn't begin to stick to the skillet and burn. So now we're going to follow up by adding in a lot of brown sugar, and again quickly mix it so it doesn't stick or burn to the skillet. I'm going to reduce my heat to about a medium low, more so towards the low end, to let the mixture slowly marinate. Alright, now I'm going to add in my salmon to the skillet and gently push it down. Spoon the butter onto the tops of the salmon. Let the salmon simmer in the butter for about 4 to 5 minutes on low heat. Now this part can be tricky. I'm going to carefully turn the fish over to the other side. Again, spoon the butter mixture on top of the salmon and let it cook for an additional 5 minutes. For the last minute or two, I'm going to return my heat back to a medium low so that the salmon can simmer. And now it's done. Serve immediately with your choice of side. I paired mine with some jasmine rice. And thank you for watching, and see you next week.